No, I'm all set.
Recording, boss.
What's up?
What are you recording?
Just taking some pictures of the cruisers.
Why?
Can I get your name and badge number?
Why?
Just taking some pictures.
But for what reason, boss?
I like police cars. Just taking some pictures. Stand on the sidewalk here.
Alright.
Can I get your name and badge number?
It's right there.
Cool.
So I understand,
Right there.
why are you taking pictures of everything?
Oh, just down
Is
here.
everything okay? Do you need help with something?
No, I'm all set. I'm cool.
You're cool? You don't
Yeah.
need you don't need the police?
No, no.
Oh. Do you have ID?
Yes, I do.
Can I see it?
No, thank you.
Oh, okay.
Hello YouTube! On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel, Auditing Erie County. Please take a moment and head over their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's video took place on May 7th, 2021 in Buffalo, New York. The auditor was doing a First Amendment audit of the Buffalo Police Department's parking lot when he was approached by Mr. Right Here and questioned about what he was doing and why. I will never understand why police officers say right here when asked what their name is. Could you imagine walking into McDonald's and asking the worker what their name was and them pointing at their name tag and saying right here? Yeah, I don't think that would happen either. Anyways, I digress. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
Have a good night.
B467. No, I'm all set. I'm all set here. I'm just taking some photos. No, I'm all set. Yeah.
No, you don't need like a hospital or anything?
No, I'm all set.
Okay, you don't seem like you're in the right message, so you're just checking, okay?
Yeah, I'm cool.
Okay.
Just taking some photos.
Alright, I like those boots, dude.
Just got those.
Yeah?
Vacation.
Where'd you get them?
Arizona. Oh, no. I got these on Route 66 on Oklahoma. What's that?
I do like your hoodie, I'll say that one.
Hell yeah. We all know that's fake. We got that one there.
What do you need, dude? You look like
Just taking a couple photos, man. That's all.
You got your hands look dirty. Do you need
Oh no, I'm
Shelter or
a
something?
mechanic.
you're a mechanic? Where do
Yeah.
you work?
I own an auto repair shop.
Where's that?
In
My
Erie,
car needs work.
it's
Maybe I'll
it's
bring
in
it.
Erie County here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I was gonna say, my car might need some work. I don't know. I've got a place to bring it.
No, I just come down here and take a little video.
Okay, did somebody like aggravate you or something?
No, not at all. I was just here for the police cars, really, just checking them out.
What's with the
Might
personal
check out
cars?
What's that?
You're going around to people's personal cars.
I wasn't really videoing those or taking those. I was just getting the police cars.
Oh, okay. Well, is there a
I saw
reason?
the videotape.
Yeah.
The personal cars.
I mean, they're probably in there. I walked by them for sure. I didn't stop
Yeah, no,
recording.
you were filming it. We saw it.
Reason, sir?
No, I was just taking some photos. We're working on a little story for news purposes, really.
Really? Who do you work for? You got any
AEC.
AEC? What is
Yeah.
that out of?
It's right out of Erie County here.
What does it stand for?
Just the AEC.
Do you have like credentials or anything? Or?
No, not really.
No?
This is a private news organization, really.
Okay. How long you been doing that for?
A little
Watch
bit.
out, sir. Car pulling in.
Oh, I'm good here. I'm on the other side of the curb here.
Yeah, I know you're in the driveway though. Maybe you
No,
just take a step like right
I'm
there.
like
So you're
the
not
curb
in
right here. I'm out.
Right, you're still in the driveway. Right. Just looking out for you.
That's good then? If I go like this, then
Whatever
I'm
you
good?
feel- How about this? Whatever you feel comfortable with, pal.
I mean, I was comfortable there.
Okay.
The
I
car
don't
got
want you to
through.
get hit. So part of my job is safety of others. So
That's cool.
again, so
I-
you're good, man. You don't need.
I'm safe.
You don't need to go like shelter or anything, or.
No, I gotta go home sooner or later,
Okay, I'm just checking. Like I said, you look a little dirty.
but I told you.
Making sure you're right in the state of mind. Cowboy boots are kind of a strange thing for Buffalo. It's your choice though, so I'm just double
So
checking.
I like to feel comfortable. That's how I feel comfortable.
Those are comfy. I gotta get me a pair. I'm all about
It's
comfort.
actually very comfortable. It's pretty padded inside,
sharp,
but
Okay.
let's see how they like that. B6925859. I forgot my mask, so I don't think I can go into the police station. It's probably locked anyway, so we'll go take some pictures of the front there. I'll just stand there watching me. I don't know what to think. They're all out here checking it out, though. I don't know. They got a lot to do here in Buffalo. I don't know if they need to bother me. I don't know. Can I come in there and take some pictures? Can I come in there and take some pictures up close to the cars? Not too much. Not too much. Yeah, just doing a little video.
You can do that, just stay on a lot, okay?
Yeah. Oh, he was asking about that car. I thought maybe I could get in there and look at some of these cars. Then. No?
Is there anything we can help you with?
No, I'm all set. I said that. I'm just taking some photos.
Seeing them take news?
You know.
You a Trump supporter?
Huh?
You Trump supporter?
Of course.
Then I thought you would support the police.
We do. That's why I'm down here taking some photos.
Alright, bro. Let us know if you need anything, okay?
You got it.
Alright, man.
Be safe, man.
You got it.
What's the name of your organization again?
AEC.
AEC, are you on Facebook?
YouTube.
YouTube, I gotta look you up.
For sure.
You posting this on YouTube?
That's where the news goes, yeah.
Yeah?
Most news. The only place you can get real news sometimes, you can only get real news from some places, you never know. What's that?
What other like things do you cover?
Town buildings. Buildings and that, just buildings and cars.
Cars, you said?
The buildings and that. The cars, maybe like the town halls, libraries. What's that?
Did you ever work at a police car?
I used to work at a auto repair shop that worked on some police cars.
Oh, okay.
Few different them, actually.
No kidding, really? You gotta put the lights on and everything? Put the siren?
No, that stuff gets done at the dealers.
Really?
Well, when you buy the cars, they go to a certain place.
Local that do it.
I never worked at a place like that.
There's a place local in Tonawanda that does it.
Yeah, they do the graphics and stuff, but I work on the mechanicals and.
No kidding. All right, well, listen, man. Be safe. If you need help ever, you call 911, okay?
You got it.
All right. You need a place to stay or get warm or shower, just let us know, okay?
Sounds good. My mechanic hands.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video, and please remember and go over and check out Auditing Erie County's YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, stay safe out there.